You have Benny's daughter, right? What's her name, ma'am?
Shavana.
Shavana, who them two beautiful ladies here? Look at them two little beautiful ladies here, so. Hello, ladies. How you doing? Is you me talking? You know? What is your name? Alright, no name. What is your name, ma'am? No name. Then give me no name. I choose me have my mask. I'm taking off my mask. What is your name? Tell me your name now. Alright, I'm not getting the name out here. I don't know what I'm going. I choose me not put on my pretty face today, you know.
The ID on it.
I choose me not put on my pretty face today, don't it? I have on pretty mask, people. I'm going to wear my pretty mask next time. Them young ladies are not in on me today. These young ladies not into me today at all. Right? Well, it's alright. Tell me your name again.
Shavana.
Shavana, this is not the first time we're shipping for your mommy. And this is the second location we're coming. We're all over the place. Your mommy have you all over the place, but we don't mind, you know. We love it. What she said about the company? I'm not telling her lie, you know. She said she like it or she don't like it.
She like it.
She like it. She must like it because she come again. I see her there again. You come back for coming in our video. Because you can tell me about you want in our video, but you stand up in our video. I don't understand this. Talk to me, I can hear you, because the people can hear you. You love the service, shout it out. That was a yes, very much so. Did I recommend other people join us? Yes. You like it? You introduce friends and you've been getting your free coupons, right? You have your tag, you have our tag on it. And you know, so when you give somebody one of them card there, them get a £5 coupon, you get a £5 coupon. Alright, and everybody happy. I'm glad you allow us to talk to your beautiful daughter. Right? And next time we come, we're going to talk to you on camera. Alright? We're on the delivery trail. Camera lady, do not walk in the road because we don't have insurance. We are on the delivery trail, guys. We are your friendly shipping company that allows you to purchase your items overseas and we ship them to you here in Jamaica, deliver them to your doorstep. Alright, we're in Garden Pen, we're in Spanish Town. Big up all of Spanish Town. We can't even mention the name, alright? If we mention one community name, we're in trouble. But we're in Garden Pen right now. Alright guys, big up yourself. Catch you guys later.